Nominate a hero to win the I Empower Award from the HigherSelf Awards. The I Empower Award is given to those who help others use productive and creative approaches to self-empowerment and community empowerment. This is for those who have made a commitment to use their resources to guide and support our people in their efforts to foster self-reliance and create wealth. This award is for those who aid the development of talents and skills that empower individuals and communities. They know that investing in talents, skills development is an unlimited way to advance self-reliance and wealth building. This award is given for community economic development, business development, entrepreneurship, skills development training. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to your family, your neighborhood, your city, or our people should be recognized for sustaining self-reliance and wealth building, nominate them for the I Empower Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.